October 15th, and we are at Lake Havasu, getting really close to the end of the story of the Colorado River, folks. Today, I will be driving down to Yuma, and from what I hear at Yuma, there's basically nothing left. It becomes the Green River in Mexico, in Baja, and it's just a trickle. So we're gonna see where the Colorado River is squeezed to an end at Yuma. We're going there today. We are at Cibola Refuge. The Colorado River is less than 100 miles away from the end of her story, and she's still looking good. This spot is incredibly beautiful and really peaceful. This is an awesome little spot. I wouldn't mind camping out here, except for today, this is not my stop. I still have about another hour of riding to do today, get myself into Yuma and to check into my hotel tonight. This is it. We are in Yuma. We made it. And this is the end of the story of the Colorado. We have been following her from her source in the Rocky Mountains, all the way through Colorado, all the way through Utah, Arizona, now here on the border of Arizona, California, and Mexico. And this is all that's left of the Colorado River. And from here, I am heading into California, into the Anza Borrego Desert for a night before going back home to spend some time with my family for the holidays and to stay warm for the winter.
Think of all the chances you blew. Yeah, nothing what's not broken. You got a hard time to understand when your heart is not open. In any case, you're gonna feel stupid. Wonder what the hell went wrong. Like deja vu, but what can you really do? But mean it all, feel it all, lay it all on the line. The more that I see of you, I keep on breaking my heart. No matter how far I run, keep coming back to the start. Keep coming back to the start. Keep coming back. With all emotions running wild, I think I can breathe for the very first time. With all emotions running wild, I think I can breathe for the very first time. With all emotions running wild, you mean it all, feel it all, lay it all on the the more that I see of you, I keep on breaking my heart. No matter how far I run, keep coming back to the start. The more that I see of you, I keep on breaking my heart. No matter how far I run, keep coming back to the start.
And this is it. We made it. About 2,600 miles from LA up to northern Idaho, and approximately 5,000 miles from northern Idaho back down here to LA via Colorado and the Colorado River. You guys, it has been an incredible ride. I am stoked. I am so honored that you joined me, that you've been following along with my adventure, because that makes you a very big part of my adventure as well. So thank you very much for watching. And before we stop, how about one more highlight reel, huh? Let's go.
Fond are the memories, my mind's I recall. I keep them forever, I treasure them all. But if I was offered a trade